everyone, and welcome to another Stacy Cakes tutorial. Today we're making cream cheese icing. Before we get started, if there's a tutorial or recipe you would love to see, please do comment below and I'll do my best to make it. So we're going to start out with 500 grams of cream cheese, that's 2 8-ounce packages, half a cup of butter, 2 cups of icing sugar, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. So we're going to start by creaming our butter. You want to make sure your butter is not too hot and not too cold. You want it a spreadable consistency. If your butter is too cold, you're going to get lumps in your cream cheese icing, and if your butter is too warm, you're going to get a runny icing. And neither is very nice to work with. So make sure to cream that room temperature butter. So now we're going to make sure the cream cheese is the same consistency, again, not too hot, not too cold, and we're going to add that in. So I will give a warning on this video. Cream cheese icing is one of the more temperamental icings out there. A lot of people have trouble with it, and the reason for that is if you overmix cream cheese icing, you are going to get just a sloppy mess. And I think that's one of the biggest mistakes with cream cheese icing is overmixing. So what I've done is for this video, I haven't done any edits. I want, normally a buttercream icing will take me a solid 20 minutes to make, and I'll edit it into a 5-minute video. This is the start to finish process for making cream cheese because we do not mix for a very long time. So there goes our sugar. You're going to start it off on a slow speed and then slowly speed it up to incorporate all that sugar. And then we're going to throw our vanilla in while it's mixing. And there we go. We've got it on our high speed. And turn it off, scrape it down. I believe I'll do one more quick stir. Just incorporate everything I scraped up. And that is it. We're done. So you see what I did there. There was no edits. That was 2 minutes of mixing at the most. You don't want to overmix your cream cheese because you want that nice thick consistency. If you overmix it, it's going to be really difficult to work with. So what I will say is if you mix this icing properly, you can pipe with it. I know a lot of people don't think you can pipe with a cream cheese icing, but you absolutely can as long as you don't overmix it. I love to pair this cream cheese with a delicious carrot cake. It is so creamy, so delicious, and so cheesy. So I hope that recipe is helpful for you. Please do like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching. Happy caking!